Amazon Kindle is one of the most popular e-readers in the world, but it isn't the only option. Whether you want a larger screen, support for more file formats, or simply don't want to be locked into Amazon's ecosystem, there are some excellent alternatives available. In this video, we'll look at the 3 best alternatives to the Amazon Kindle and help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. 1. Kobo Libra Color is one of the strongest Kindle competitors. It supports a wide range of e-book formats, making it much easier to read books purchased from different stores or borrowed from libraries. Its color e-ink display also makes comics, magazines, and book covers look much better than traditional black and white e-readers. Another advantage is that Kobo gives users much more flexibility without tying them to a single marketplace. If you enjoy reading books from multiple sources, the Kobo Libra Color is an excellent choice. 2. Onyx Books Go Color 7. If you want something more powerful than a standard e-reader, the Onyx Books Go Color 7 is worth considering. It runs Android, allowing you to install apps like Kindle, Kobo, Google Play Books, Libby, or other reading applications directly on the device. This gives you access to multiple bookstores from one e-reader instead of being limited to a single platform. It also supports note-taking, PDF reading, and many different document formats, making it a great option for students and professionals. 3. Pocketbook Era is another excellent Kindle alternative. It supports a large number of file formats right out of the box, including EPUB, PDF, Mobi, and several others without requiring conversion. It also includes physical page turn buttons, cloud synchronization, audiobook support, and a comfortable e-ink display that's easy on the eyes during long reading sessions. For readers who value flexibility and compatibility, Pocketbook is one of the best options available. Which one wins? If you simply want the best overall Kindle alternative, the Kobo Libra Color takes the top spot. It offers an excellent reading experience, supports multiple formats, includes a beautiful color e-ink display, and gives you much more freedom than the Kindle ecosystem. If you want the flexibility of Android and multiple reading apps, the Onyx Books Go Color 7 is the better choice. And if your priority is maximum file compatibility, the Pocketbook Era is hard to beat. Final verdict. All 3 devices are excellent alternatives to the Amazon Kindle. However, for most readers looking for the best balance of features, flexibility, and overall value, the winner is the Kobo Libra Color. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which e-reader you would choose.